thrash, speed metal on there. We shifted a little bit on this record. Made it a little more catchy, I guess. I don't know what you call it back then, but looking for a little more hooks. And I think we did an album in 1987, went on a world tour, wrote a second record, 88, went on a world tour, wrote this record. So we weren't fucking around, man. We were out there just working and writing and living our life.
Yeah, we were living at home too. Okay.
And we were living at home at this time.
With our parents.
So yeah, so this was a good time. We finally got some money. We got to move out of mom and dad's house. First time we got to buy a car. I think I bought a motorcycle or something at that time. It was my first big day. Well, fuck it, Pontiac. But we were still at the studio, still drinking Lucky Lagers, reading poems to each other at practice, you know. We still drink cheap beer.
We didn't know about fancy beer yet.
We didn't know about good beer yet. Oh yeah. So this next song, like I said, the music, the lyrics were changing. We're finding more topics that actually were real, that affected our lives, everybody's lives out there. And for me, as a vocalist, I felt that, you know, I could really relate and push these lyrics, not force it down your throat, because this next song, back then, it was kind of a political song. We were just young punks talking shit about the government, about control, all this shit. You know what I'm saying? When you're young and rebellious and don't give a fuck and think you know it all.
I think they know.
Yeah, they know. But I'm not going to touch that subject. It's a fucking touchy subject. We all believe what we believe. Heavy fucking metal, right? So check it out. The song called The Time Is Coming.